car meet, got the drone on me. Look, it's me in stock form. I need to paint these mirrors though. This shit clean though. What do you think, guys? Should I go back to stock body? Or should I just get a repaint? Nah, this is hard. Both of these back-to-back 75. This E90 is OD hard. I need this. Mad G80s and F80s here too. Mad G80s. This is a fire spec too. Red orange. Four in the back. This E36 right here is hard. That shit is hard.
I just peeped this right hand drive.
What's this? Nah, this is OD hard.
Yes, I dead seen this car
with the
brand,
LMs.
Bro.
Big brake kit. Right hand drive. This ain't no IS. This ain't no GS3.
This is not a GS, bro.
This ain't no GS300.
Not a GS, gang. It's a big body Aristo, nigga. That's fire.
Yeah, this gonna pack the 235 up.
Yo, super packed the 235. Yo, is that like an extra? Like why that? Look at the shift.
The who?
Look at the shift knob. It's so like in there.
Yeah.
Transmission sit low.
Probably. I don't know. Probably just a low shifter. This shit fire though. You need to give me these rims. E36 need 3-piece wheels.
M235 not packed up. We doing a rerun today.
M235 packed up. You need to get them charge pipes. You need to get the charge pipe, get the tune. Nigga, you pulled off and your exhaust was smoking too. What's up with that? Is it turbo time?
That really is turbo time. Damn. As soon as you put the bumper on, that's what happens? Yeah, nigga.
Got shut down, cops came, packed everything up. Well, the cops were already there, but I guess their boss came and really shut everything down. They ended up going to a next spot, but we are about to go to this art museum real quick, and then we might meet up with Tristan again and go to another car meet, or probably go skate. I don't know yet. We'll see. Okay, 46 in the wall. Okay. Mad random stuff here. This one's cooking me. Pause it and read it.
Which one, this one?
Yeah. This is actually busting my head. What the heck is this? So somebody figured out a way how to bring a bunch of dirt here and make this, I don't know what it is, but they made something with a bunch of dirt. Keep in mind, it also just started getting warm outside, so they was probably building this in the brick and bringing it upstairs.
I don't want you smiling at that joke.
So y'all thought I was about to bore y'all in that museum. Yeah, alright. But yeah, we just left. It's kind of trash. I don't know how she feels about it. She likes art more than I do. How was it?
I thought it was interesting. I wish we could have spent more time.
More time? Why is that?
I mean, you just wanted to leave the whole time, so, and you was complaining about everything.
Nah, you was complaining. You was one saying, I'm thirsty. I don't want to stay inside. It's too hot.
No, I was trying to, spend time outside.
Yeah.
On the balcony.
On the balcony at death.
Yeah, and I wanted to get something from the cafe.
Oh my god. They riced this out. They riced out the 7 Series. That's crazy. In the wild. So yesterday, I went to the skate park, but I didn't really skate because of that big puddle. I wasn't really feeling it. So I went to Supreme. I got some stuff in Supreme, and then I went to Carhartt. Shout out to the homies that hooked it up. Got some stuff from there. And then I went to go skate at a different park and pack myself up. And now it is the next day, and we are about to change some stuff on my interior. So last night I picked up some stuff from the homie Sebastian. We got a glove box. I mean, let me take this out. In here it looks a little bit crazy. Don't mind that. Yeah, we have a glove box because my glove box sags. Just sit this here for now. Also got a center console as well because right here this whole tab is broken on mine, and I also wanted to go back to having an armrest as well, so he hooked it up with the whole armrest system. So yeah, we're about to just change all of this and then basically fix this too as well. It doesn't really need to be fixed. It's honestly not bothering me, but I do have, don't mind this mess, I do have this trim piece right here that's supposed to clean it up, and this one subscriber has been asking me to situate this and show him how it's done, so I got you today, my guy. So right now I'm about to start off with the center console because it's the easiest, because it's literally not bolted on to, nothing is bolted on at all. Like, that's how easy it is to remove it. And then I'm about to take these bolts out because that's what the armrest is going to be bolted on with, and we will get to this. Here we got the first part of the armrest down, which is basically this little bracket that the armrest sits in. Now I'm about to clean up the center console and then toss that in, and then everything else will go back onto it. So we just got the center console in, armrest bussing. We got good money again. Now it's onto the glove box. The glove box sags like this. I'm not too sure if this one sags or not, but if it looks better than this, that'll be fine with me. So I shot out the glove boxes, and this side is perfect, but this side is doing BMW things. So you fix one side and then the other corner is messed up. It's probably fixable, but I don't feel like fixing it. So I'm probably gonna run back the other one. So I put my dashboard back in. It's not fully closed, but I'd rather it be a full straight and even than like one corner in uneven, and it's not that bad. So right now I am actually working on this. I think I'm pretty close to having it situated. I ended up cutting this center plate that like sits in between here, so basically the climate control would sit down here and then your single DIN radio would sit up here. So I think I have it figured out. I'm about to put this back in here and then try to line up this trim right here and see if it works. So I had filmed a clip of me putting the radio back in and putting the trim on, and I lost it. I don't know what happened, but I'll show you guys the radio right now. This is basically how it looks. I know it's dark, bear with me. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's not bad. I do have to figure out a way to like center out the radio, but once I figure that out, it should be good. There is like a little gap right here. I don't know whether if it's the trim itself or if my dash is like just messed up. I could put some heat on it and push it in, but from like the driver's point of view, you don't really see it, so it's not really bothering me. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Watch the ads. If you want to see more mods happen to this car, I get paid by the ads. So if you skip the ads, that means the less money I make, the less I could put into the car. I don't really have a job, so I'm pretty much doing YouTube full time and some other things. So watch the ads. But I will be posting like consistently every other day. So turn on the post notification and you'll see a video like literally every other day. Maybe when June comes or when the weather gets better, I'll probably start dropping every day. Who knows? The goal is to do 20 vlogs a month and a bunch of shorts and skits. So we will see what happens. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.